The Amazing Apple Journey. Hello, I am a tiny apple seed, resting deep in the dark, cozy soil. My home is called an orchard, where many apple families live. A little rain shower comes down, giving me a big drink. The warm sun shines, telling me it's time to wake up and grow. Pop! I push a tiny root down and a little sprout up. I am becoming a baby apple tree. Years go by, and I grow taller and stronger. My branches spread out, reaching for the sun. I am now a big, beautiful apple tree. This is my habitat. In the springtime, something magical happens. Pretty pink and white flowers bloom all over my branches. These are apple blossoms. Busy bees buzz around, tickling the blossoms and helping them change. This is how the apple is regenerated. The blossoms wave goodbye, and tiny green bumps appear where they used to be. These bumps are baby apples. All summer long, the sun and rain help the baby apples grow bigger and change color. Some turn bright red, some turn sunny yellow, and others stay lovely green. Look at me now. I am a crisp, ripe apple hanging plump on the branch. I am the fruit of the tree. I am so important for humans. A friendly farmer carefully picks me and puts me in a big basket. When a child takes a big, crunchy bite, I give their body energy and make them strong and healthy. I have vitamins and fiber, good things to help them play, function for human. But wait, I'm special for nature too. My tree home provides shade for animals and shelter for birds to build their nests. And if an animal eats a part of me and drops a seed, the cycle starts all over again. I help create new life, function for nature. What is so special about me? I am part of a wonderful cycle that gives life back to the earth. I am healthy, delicious, and I can be grown almost anywhere in the world. From a tiny seed to a big red fruit, I am an amazing apple. Now who wants a delicious, crunchy bite?